14,525 right now, bouncing right above this level of resistance, and now it is a level of support. Hopefully we can hold this level here, break up above it for the day, and confirm that upside action tomorrow. We are right here at this solid blue line, so hopefully we're able to use that as support and not just close right at that line and then move back down tomorrow. We really, really want to see an extension of the daily gains that we're seeing right now. Prog's still doing very well, $1.22, almost at 122 cents. $1.22 almost all day long today, up 7%. Farmy sitting at $14.94, bouncing around trying to retake that 15-cent level. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all down on the day. Sundial sitting at $66.90. And Molinado, $2.90, giving back some gains from earlier where it was sitting at $3 per share. CEI up 1.5% on the day. The SPY's up almost 1%. Baby IG sitting at $3.05, and Highcroft Mining, $2.26. We'll have to see where that finishes there. Let's see, Clay right now, Crypto Rocketeer. Hopefully you are listening and you can see that I am actually here. Pringleton, what is going on? Glad to have you in here. And did I miss? Oh, Andrew. Did Andrew say it's his birthday? Is Andrew still? I don't even know if Andrew's still in here. Andrew, if it's your birthday, man, I'll sing happy birthday to you. But I don't know if you're still in here or not. You got to be in here to get your birthday song. I'm not gonna sing happy birthday to you to somebody that's not in here. That doesn't make any sense. Highcroft Mining, $2.26 right now. You'd be up about 19 cents if you did enter that trade right in here on confirmation of the crossover. So doing very well there. ATER. Let's see if we can find ATER. It was running earlier, but what is it doing now? Where is it? I know we can find it. I know we can, guys. I promise. I promise it is here. I thought it was here. Found it. 42%. So it is giving back some of the gains that it did have earlier on in the day. Touched $3.93 today. I mean, that seems exactly where that resistance line was. Yeah. I mean, boom, touched it, boom, touched it, boom, touched it, boom, touched it. Like, this is the level that we were talking about earlier. Touched it to a T, man, and did pull back there. Man. Well, I don't know. I mean, if you guys are in ATER, anybody close out of their ATER positions today? If you were in, did you make any money? That's what I was looking at on ATER. Clenino, Brozinho, welcome back. What's going on? Simoninho, how you doing, man? Thank you. Andrew, he did say it's his birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Andrew. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Andrew. Glad to have you in here on your birthday, man. We get a song. Is it his birthday? And it is his birthday, and he is here. Pringleton got that song, man. Absolutely. Anyone know if Andrew is in here? And if it's his birthday, Pringleton, yes. Andrew can confirm. Happy birthday, Andrew. Nice. Simoninho. What's going on, man? At the WGS, they talked about using digital currency and blockchain. Which blockchain do you think they will use? What effect might they have? What that might have on stocks and crypto? WGS. What is WGS, man? Because I don't know what blockchain they would be using. Happy birthday, Andrew. Pika Power. What's going on, Pika? Glad to have you. You made Cassie's day earlier. Hopefully you know that. Simoninho, Prigolzinho. We've got both of you guys with both the Inos in here. 4 minutes left in the trading day, guys. AMC is green. Hopefully we can finish in green territory. GameStop, also green. Highcroft Mining, green. Basically, everything is green right now. Farmy is 0.01 cent in the red. Giving back a couple cents there, going from $14.95 to $14.90. Extremely compact day on Farmy today. If you guys look at this, it traded from $15.14 to $14.80. Well, that was like a 1 second move. Basically, where was the channel today? 15 cents to $14.90. I mean, a 10th of a cent range on Farming today. Very low volume, very tight channel, and hopefully it's priming for a breakout because it has been doing absolutely nothing for, oh boy, what is this? Almost a month and a half now. Doing almost nothing for about a month and a half. Needs to retake the 20s. Get back up here and retake the 20s. And then start rolling out. Let's go back to the minute chart. Yes. And then Highcraft Mining. We'll watch Highcraft then. Hi, Brings. Hi, Vega. What's going on? Hello, Simon. Lots to discuss today. 500,000 Bitcoins of America. ATMs accept listing Shiba for purchases and withdrawals. Awesome exposure. Heck yeah, Remy. Heck yeah. Anytime that we can get more exposure for Shiba Inu coin, more marketing potential for Shiba Inu coin, that is going to improve Shiba Inu coin. Whether or not we directly see it on the price of Shiba Inu coin, anytime somebody has access, it is better. You guys heard about the new bill in Canada, the CB11. I have not, Mr. Simon, I have not. Stupid busy morning, grabbed an easy $100, but no time for real trading. Nothing wrong with $100, Frank. Nothing wrong with grabbing $100, man. Welcome to Summon to WBGS. No. So, Jonathan, I did not see, but I highly doubt, man. I highly doubt that anything that is government involved uses a current coin. I truly believe if they're going to go out there and develop their own central bank cryptocurrencies, I believe that they're going to be using their own blockchain. I believe that they're going to be using their own coins. It is not going to be affiliated with any of the cryptocurrencies we currently know. It is going to be 100%, reliant and centralized on the government. Nothing decentralized. I don't think the government can give up any sort of power and decentralization. It's funny, man. It's really funny to me that democracies kind of pride themselves on, the power belonging to the people. But then when the ideas of decentralization come up where nobody is in charge, the power belongs to the people, all sort of democracy goes out the door. And you got to maintain that power and have that sovereignty. I have this whole week off and gonna make moves in the market. Andrew, I love it, man. I hope you make so much money this week that it ain't even funny. So let's say every minute one random person turns into a duck. How long would it take for the world to take notice? Frank, that is an excellent question, man. For the world to take notice? I guess it depends. If the media wants people to turn into ducks, and they can figure out how to capitalize on people turning into ducks, I don't know, maybe after the first or second person turned into a duck, they'd strike fear into everybody, saying that, hey, if you don't do what we tell you to do, you're gonna turn into a duck. Honestly, dude, we all live in our own little worlds. I don't know. It could be a viral video, though. If it was like a legit video of somebody turning into a duck, I feel like that would be pretty viral. It's a very good question, Frank. I unfortunately don't have the answer to it. I would say fast, though. GameStop, loving that after hours action. GameStop jumping up to $172 per share after hours. A very nice green candle there. AMC closed the day at $23.29 right now, down 1 cent on the day. $23.29, 1 cent lower to close out the day. And it is sitting at $23.31 after hours. It's turning green there. Shiba Inu coin, $26.29. GameStop did close 3.5% higher. Highcraft Mining closed 4% higher. And it's sitting 1% higher after hours, so Highcraft doing pretty well. The NASDAQ, end of the day at 14,532, above that level of resistance. Hopefully it holds this support now. And it had 1.90% gain on the day. That is beautiful. Farmy closed at $14.96, sitting at $14.90 after hours today. After some volatility there, moving into after hours trading. 16,000 shares, jumping the price from $15.10 all the way down to $14.90. Got some volatility going on after hours, nothing wrong with that. Sundial 67.14, moving around after hours as well. Down 4% on the day. Mullen Auto, $2.86. CEI, $83.56. Really volatile ending there. SPY closed at $456.91, BBIG 306, and Highcraft Mining 225 there. So just gonna have to see how this after hours action plays out. There's not enough orange sauce for all the ducks. Mark, we got to make more orange sauce, man. Censorship Bill 11 in Canada. The government has control over the internet and can censor whatever they want. Oh my goodness, Mr. Simon, that does not sound good to me. That really does sound like something Canada or China or North Korea would do. I have over 300 million Shiba, but I have half in Crow, the other half in Coinbase. Should I have it all in one wallet or just leave it the way it is? Is there a benefit? So, Giovanni, I don't know if there's necessarily a I don't know if there's necessarily a benefit to having it all in one wallet. I don't know if there's necessarily a con to having it all in one wallet either. But I guess the benefit to having it spread out amongst several wallets is the diversification. So if something did happen to Coinbase, if something did happen to Crypto.com, your holdings in the other wallet would be safe. If one of them got hacked, if you forgot the password, if you didn't have access to it, if anything like that were to happen, then the fact that you got them in separate wallets, you would at least have some of your coins that would still be available. Fighting to put 1 cent in the red after 6.5 hours and 51 million volume. I'm telling you, Crypto Rocketeers, sometimes it's tough, isn't it? Sometimes it is a lot harder than it seems. Ducks are pretty greasy if you ever eat one. Well, Paul, you know what? I have not. I've not had a duck. At least I don't think I've had a duck, right? The only time I ever remember going to a restaurant and seeing duck available, I didn't order it. So as far as I know, I've not had duck. What think happened to AMC now that GME stock split was announced? Sydney, we're gonna have to wait and see how that plays out. I'm excited to see. I truly think it could be a good idea, but only if there's naked shorts. I don't think it's gonna be like anything at all if there's no naked shorts. Chinese belly duck is okay. Shredder, good to know, man. Muscovy duck is pretty good. Dang, man, now you guys want me to... Now you guys are making me think that I need to go have some duck, and I don't think I've had any duck. Fortunately, I don't think I've had any duck. Let's see, up 0.27 cents after hours, sitting right there at the 15 cent mark. Very good. NASDAQ, obviously not doing nothing. GameStop down slightly. Prague up 0.82% after hours. AMC on both charts right there, moving sideways. Sundial 0.31% lower after hours. 1% higher for Mullen, and not too much going on otherwise. We'll have to keep an eye on it, but I highly doubt we got too much going on there. But if it turned into a dark wing duck, yes, sign me up. Frank says, forget about it. You don't even have to ask me again. I'm doing it. Duck fat fries are amazing. Transparently, Eli. Duck fat fries. Would that be like fries fried up in duck fat? Look, dude, I don't know about duck fat. If you like frying things up in fat like that, bacon grease, dude. If you want to make some sick mozzarella sticks, get those shredded cheese. They're just the little mozzarella sticks that, you would give like a kindergartner. And bread those bad boys up, right? And the best one I've made so far, you bread them up, you get your panko breadcrumbs, you get your, just like you're going to fry anything up, your flour and your egg and all that stuff. And then add some, like a honey mustard seasoning, okay? I used a honey mustard seasoning when I did it, added it in with I believe the breadcrumbs, not the flour, but you could probably do it either way you wanted. And then, dude, cook up some bacon, and then fry those mozzarella sticks in the bacon grease after the bacon's done. Dude, I'm telling you, it's where it's at, man. It's where it's at. Probably better than duck fat. Arizona Diamondback Rattlesnakes make some awesome jerky and amazing tacos. Pugnacious, you're probably fake newsing on that one, but I don't know. Do you guys actually eat snake? A rabbit season, no duck season, no rabbit season. COIN, coin, dope, let's get it. Yes, sir. Transparently, Eli. Well, he's talking about frying french fries and duck fat. Man, not bad at all. Paul, that's funny what he pulls. Rabbit season, no duck season, no rabbit season. Guys, don't eat a rabbit. Come on, man. I like rabbits. There's rabbits in my backyard. Don't ever eat a rabbit. Paul, that pesky rabbit's coming after. Cooking with clay, bro. Let's get it. All I know how to make are bacon grease, bacon fried mozzarella sticks. High cholesterol channel. DD214, only way to go about it. Don't eat it every day. Let me ask you guys this. Let me take your opinion on this one here. Because I truly don't know if there's anything that would be like detrimental, clearly if you're allergic, right? But detrimental if you only ate it once in a while or ate it in moderation. Like, don't go make mozzarella sticks that are fried up in bacon grease for breakfast every morning. That might be, unhealthy. But, dude, if you're going to eat one mozzarella stick or two mozzarella sticks that were fried in bacon grease for the 4th of July this year, like, come on. You guys think that's bad? You guys really think it's bad? Is there anything that would be, like, detrimental, aside from drinking rattlesnake poison or something that nobody does, if you didn't do it in moderation? Click! I got a gold list, 1 out of 200 spot for Mini Metamon, launching end of May. I'll let you know how that goes. JB, dude, got a gold list, man. Is that better than a white list? I don't know what a gold list is, but it sounds really good, JB. It sounds really good. Rabbit is going to Pringleton. Don't eat rabbit, man. Don't eat rabbit. Your opinion on Shiba Inu use once Shiba Metaverse up and running? Will Shiba go through the roof? Also, will anything be burned in the Metaverse? I know it is just opinion. So Giovanni, it's actually not opinion about the burns, right? Once the Metaverse is up and actually running, that's not going to happen until Shibarium is up and running. And apparently, according to the developers, everything that takes place once Shibarium is up, including the Metaverse, every transaction should burn some Shiba Inu coin. So, yes, there will be burns of Shiba Inu coin. I don't know if it's because Shibarium is going to have... I don't even know. At this point, I don't even know what Shibarium is, okay? Because the way that... I think it was Queenie. I think the way that Queenie was talking about it the other day made it seem like transactions on Shibarium are going to be on top of transactions in Shiba Inu coin. Okay? So I don't know if Shibarium is actually like a blockchain or if Shibarium is some sort of like a level 2 Shiba swap. I don't know. It was very confusing when I was reading that, what Shibarium is. But the Metaverse will run on Shibarium, and everything should have a burn mechanism in it. I don't know if that's going to be a percentage of sales. I don't know if the developers are going to get filthy rich. I don't know what that is yet. But I do want you guys to know the developing team around Shiba Inu coin, and I really want this to be answered. Okay? I know they say Ryoshi created Shiba Inu coin. Were any of these developers even associated with the creation of Shiba Inu coin? I truly believe that these developers saw Shiba Inu coin, saw it rising in popularity, and decided to attach themselves to it. Is that bad? No, it's not bad, because Shiba Inu coin is its own coin. It's its own thing. Anybody can do what they want with it. But I don't believe, and I could be wrong, this is pure speculation. I would love for somebody to answer this, but I think that they're attaching themselves and building this ecosystem around it, and they have monetary gain from this ecosystem being built. They earn nothing from Shiba Inu coin transactions. They earn everything from owning Leash, from Bone. They get paid. Their salaries are in Bone. And if you don't think that they get paid, somebody's posting on Twitter the wallets of like Shib Queenie and Penny, that When Float dude that's apparently one of the developers, and maybe Gossip Shib or some of these other people that are associated with Shiba Inu coin. Listen, they're making some money, okay? They're making some money out there, getting paid in Bone. So they have every just reason to see Bone increase in price. And I think that might be the end game. Shiba snacks. Let's make it happen, man. Shiba snacks for your dogs. Like Scooby snacks, except even better. Brian, I like it. White list, 1 out of 5,000. Gold list, 1 out of 200. Gotcha, JB. Gotcha. Nope, cow tongue pugnacious. We're not eating that. Don't forget Diet Coke for fat, whatever that is. Diet Coke? I don't even need, just drink water. Throw my bacon grease out the window. Paul, before it's done, man, cook a mozzarella stick in there. I'm telling you, you're going to like it. House Slytherin, whatever that is, man. Should a double quarter pounder meal ain't that fat if you get the Diet Coke with it. There you go, man. Double quarter pounder meal with a Diet Coke. Way to go. Put your kettle every year, and I run the fat through the burger grinder and render it down and make my own lard to cook with. Great for fried duck. Pugnacious? Sounds gross, dude. But hey, man, it probably works out really well. Shout out to my Filipino buddy, Mr. Hello, mamas. Come on now, my little mamas. I've just realized, despite AMC going down today, I made money on it because of currency rates. I can always find a way to be optimistic. Pringleton, very nice. It barely went down today. AMC just sat flat. So if the pound increased against the dollar today, then very good, man. Or no, would the pound have decreased against the dollar? And because your AMC holdings are in dollars, then you made money because the pound got cheaper. Is that what it was? Bitmart ATM accepts Shiba. Nike Pro. Yes, it does, man. Outdoor Smile. We got to go for happy hour someday. Do it, man. We didn't hear anything about the developers until popularity was high. Yes. So I agree with you, and I've been buying Shiba since May 8th, 2021. Giovanni. Yeah, dude, I actually tried to go back and look at all their tweets, and you can tell they didn't even start, like, tweeting until March, April, May when it started running. Hey, bro, best regards from Italy. You are the best, mate. Oh, how do I say this? Oh. How do you say thank you very much? I remember grazie. But how do you say very much? Whatever. Francesco De Falco, grazie. Paul Lawrence, I'll meet you at Hard Rock Tampa. You guys are going for it. Get it, man. What do you think about Blue Sparrow token? Know nothing about it, dude. I have some money on BitGroup, but since tax law in India, it came down a lot. Thinking about swapping. AR, I have no idea anything about Blue Sparrow, man. Never even heard of it. Hey, everybody, what's going on? Tim, what's up, homie? Sergio, bro, how you doing? Smile. Someday we will make it happen. I made 1,000 on today and closed it right away. It was a very risky stock. Kyla? Amazing, dude. You make $1,000 in a day? Take it. Ask Alexa. You need an Alexa in your cribbage. Yeah, Google is downstairs, but I forget a lot. Francesco, how do you say thank you very much? I know grazie is thank you, but how do you say thank you very much? Matt Wallace, oh my goodness, you don't like Matt Wallace, man? What did Matt Wallace do besides, like, create a coin that rug pulled or something like that? You never been hungry, Clay, bro? Never had a homemade meals. Yes, dude, I have been hungry. Before. Clay, bro, I have someone tell me they are pump and dumping Shib and making a ton. I just hold Shiba for the long haul. I don't know how they could be doing it. So, Arcraz, I don't think that the developers are pumping and dumping Shiba. I don't think the developers are dumping Shiba at all. I honestly don't think the developers have Shiba Inu coin. Nah, I don't think it's mucho grazie. Grazie mille. Yes. Francesco, yes. Prego mille. Grazie mille. Thank you very much. Francesco, thank you for reminding me how to say that. I knew it was Millie, but I forgot how to say that. Grazie mille. Ryan knows what it is. Yes. Hottest upcoming stock or dollar under or crypto under $1. Brian, I have no idea what's gonna be coming up next, man. I'm not gonna lie. Is Doge gonna do anything to compete with Shiba, especially now they're hating on the Shiba developers? I never really hear anything about Doge. Yeah, Giovanni. I don't know, right? I see the Dogecoin creator hating on the Shiba Inu developers for trying to go out. Listen. Whether or not you agree with the intentions, okay? And I got 80 people in here. Let's see what you guys honestly think, okay? Even if the Shiba Inu coin developers don't care to, use Shiba Inu coin in this metaverse, can you really blame them for wanting to try and do some sort of a $100 million project? Where they bring in $100 million. I mean, guys, that is a massive project, and if you were face to face with making $100 million, that's a lot of money, man. I can't blame them. If they're wanting to make $100 million on something. That is insane, and they might not have future support, right? They might not have the power of the army behind them if they did anything that wouldn't sit well. But dude, $100 million project is it's a lot of money to be making full time. Yeah, well, just answer the question. If you think that, like, can you blame them? That's the question. Yes or no? Can you blame them if they're trying to make $100 million? Glade, please explain the Shiba Inu coin to me now that there's leash and bone and whatever coin there is. So Bronson, man, Shiba Inu coin is Shiba Inu coin. Simple as that. And I believe that bone, leash, shiboshis, like all of this stuff, you could go out there right now and you could make an NFT project and call it Shib Broshis. Maybe we should, right? Maybe we should. We should call it Shib Broshis. Okay? We make these NFTs Shib Broshis. We can use the Shiba Inu coin logo, these designs, and you know, whatever with these NFT projects. And we're part of the Shiba Inu coin community, right? We are the Shiba army. So we've got that kind of, that base to build up these Shib Broshis. And we go out there and sell them. Dude, you know, we don't accept Shiba Inu coin for them. They don't provide you any, you can't stake them and earn any bone, but they got a Shiba Inu coin logo on it, right? And they're called Shib Broshis. You know, I believe that's what the Shiboshis are. Just a project that's out there, not associated with Shiba Inu coin, but these developers that come and build themselves up around Shiba and are trying to build a Shiba Inu coin ecosystem. It's just Shiba by association. You know what I mean? Bone by association. These guys that have 3 million Twitter followers for Shiba Inu coin, shoot, man. Gold mine. Gold mine. They walked into a gold mine. You have to remember, Ryoshi, some random dude, some random woman, whoever the heck Ryoshi was, went out, created this token, didn't care at all who Shitoshi, Milkshake, Shib Queenie, When Float, Eric, didn't care at all who these people were, didn't even know them. Put Shiba Inu coin out into the universe. It says, let's see what happens with it. Well, what happened? Shitoshi, Shib Queenie, it sucked all these people in, and they started to build up a project around it. Can't blame them. I can't blame them for creating a project around it. But we look to them to take Shiba Inu coin to the next level. They're taking the ecosystem to the next level. Hey, bro, you're having a fabulous hair day. John J. Alvarez, man. Thank you. I want to see him comb my hair real fast. Gosh, increasing my Doge on 5% dips. Frank, very nice, man. Talk about Dogecoin. Nike Pro, man. Honestly, I don't know enough about Dogecoin to talk about it. Hey, you still in AMC? Believe in the MOS? It's been a while since you got your take on AMC. Marco, absolutely, man. So I am still in AMC. Never sold a single share that I've bought. I have bought and sold some call options since the the beginning or whatever. But as far as like AMC squeezing, yes, dude. I think the numbers are better now. If I'm going to be honest with you, I don't like a lot of the stuff that AMC is doing with their money right now, buying up small gold mine companies, trying to take people out of AMC and into gold mining, and a lot of that stuff. But I still do believe that AMC, based on its current numbers, has the potential to squeeze very, very high. Shibroshis. Oh, heck yeah. Tim's like, let's do it, man. Let's do it. I think we should, guys. I think we should do maybe a Shibroshi, something like that. And you guys know, right? And it would be not associated. I would actually admit that it's not associated with Shiba Inu coin, right? Unlike these Shiboshis, who they're building their ecosystem. But no, dude, I think Shibroshis could do pretty well there. Hey, guy on Twitter, of course, a trying to group of people to buy after 3:30 on a Friday to combat traders selling at hit max pain. No doubt that's collusion, right? Apparently 2 of them in. Yeah, Pringleton, I don't know if 200 people are even going to be able to move the price like at all. You can collude, dude, but because you can get a trading group together. And you guys can, this 107 people in here, if we consider ourselves a trading group, we can all think, touch on Shib Shiba Snack, Shib Invisible Fence, JB, I said we do it all. If we've got 107 people in here and we're a trading group, we're the bros, man. We're the bros. We go out there, we look at these stocks, and we say, you know what? Dude, Farmy is looking pretty good right now. It's beaten down in price. They got an shareholder meeting coming up on April 15th, and it's either going to get delisted or they're gonna have a buyout come in and they're gonna have to reach $1 compliance. One of those two things has to happen. Knowing that, we make the decision. I don't care if all 107 of us go, but what if 50 of us decide to jump in? We all agree together to buy Farmy. Is that corruption? Is that manipulation? Is that coordination? Not necessarily. But if we all come in and we say, you know what? Farmy's sitting here at 15 cents a share. We've got collectively $2 million. And the volume on Farmy every day is about 500,000. If we come in there, we can drive the price of Farmy up. And then the current shareholders that are in it are going to be the ones that are buying in, and we dump off after the price rise. Then we get out, and we made our 30% gain. We drove the price up. We caused a little retail panic to start buying because the stock was moving up, and they bought off of us after the price had risen 30%. That is coordination and collusion. You have to look at like why you're getting in and exit strategies and all of that, man. Just the trading group getting together and saying that they're going to buy the stock. I wouldn't go as far as to say that's bad. Now, if they have some sort of insider information, Farmy, the idiot CEO told me that they're going to have some sort of an earnings release at the insider meeting, or at the shareholder meeting. The CEO told me that they're going to announce a buyout. So get in now because the CEO spilled the beans and so on. That, you can't do that. That's bad. That's trading on information that's not public. I'm sure they do that all the time, but, that's something you can't do. Clint, rumor has it about 100 indicators showing AMC is about to make a move. Thoughts? Yes. Eric. Yes, that is exactly right, man. AMC. We got red candle. We got a decline. We got a descending trend here. That's bullish. We've got AMC. We got above its 5-period moving average. Bullish. We've got AMC sitting at 23.63 today. Bullish. AMC volume rising and then falling into the end of the day. Bullish. AMC on a daily chart bouncing lower. That's going to be bullish. AMC on a daily chart bouncing higher. That's going to be bullish. Eric, dude. I know you spent some time on Twitter, man. It is crazy what everybody is posting out there. It don't matter if the chart's upside down, right side up, or backwards. Everybody is figuring a bullish breakout for AMC. It's crazy, dude. Press the like button. Listen to JJ, man. Press that like button. Bought more AMC this morning. Very nice to know. Grabbing some more shares of AMC. Yeah, but not as big. Yeah, true, Pringleton. True. I think if you're going in to say, like, let's buy it right now at 3:30 to watch and see if the price moves higher, I think that could get a little iffy, man. A little iffy. I don't know if anybody would care about that. If 200 guys got together and bought one share of AMC each, I don't think the SEC or literally anybody's going to care about a 200 share order. But if those guys all went together and said, well, you know what, we got 100,000 each, we're all going to go in and we're going to walk away buying $2 million worth of AMC at 3 o'clock in the afternoon on a Friday, yeah, that does get a little sketchy. No insider information. They're not politicians. Yes, but politicians, there's no such thing as insider information for a politician, man. Yes, Colette, it's turned upside down. Right, Pringleton. If you turn it upside down, backwards, and invert it, we got some sort of a pattern here that's going to be indicating bullish activity. It makes me laugh. I'm telling you, man, I scroll through, I see an upside down chart. I'm like, dude, and then it's, the line's going up. It's a breakout. I see a descending chart. Breakout. Descending weekly chart, man. We're at the bottom of the descending wedge. We're going to break out. Cup and handle, we're going to break out. Inverted cup and handle, somehow we're still going to break out. Bull flag, inverted bull flag. Everything goes up, dude. Everything goes up. And I get it. I want AMC to go up, too, like I do. But, whew, I love this social media technical analysis, man. Do you believe that developers invested in Leash and in Bone, and that is why Shiba is being put on the back burner? Giovanni, in a sense, yes, okay? The developers actually get paid in Bone. So they earn a certain percentage of every single new bone that is minted. And you can see how much they've gotten paid. People on Twitter are already posting their wallets, and some of them even have over like $160,000 in bone. I don't know if that's bone that they bought or strictly bone that was allocated to them from newly minted bone and things like that. So they do have a vested interest in watching bone go up. Leash, I don't believe they earn in Leash, but I do believe they had first access to Leash. So think about it, man. If you and I created Shiboshis, we would want the price of these Shiboshis to go up. And if we created Shiboshis, we would likely give ourselves first advantage. You know, we go in, we buy a Shiboshi. We go in, and here's the thing too, right? It sounds like, well, you shouldn't be making any money. Guys, I can't even say that. I mean, think about it. If we made a Shibroshi, okay? If we made that NFT project and 1%, which would be low, of all Shibroshi transactions went back to my wallet for creating Shibroshis, I don't understand how that's bad. If you know you're going to be paying a 1% transaction fee and you know it's going to the developer's wallet, like, it's okay, right? So I can't blame these guys for earning in Bone. They are building something up with Bone and Leash and so on. But it's tough, though, because if I was promoting Shibroshis and you guys knew I was promoting Shibroshis, good. Well, let's make some money. But, you know, if I attach myself, if I tell you I'm building up a Shibroshi, but it's because, like, I own Shiba Inu coin, or I am a Shiba Inu coin developer, or it's associated with Shiba Inu coin, so you buying a Shibroshi is going to help Shiba Inu coin, that's where the conflict comes in my mind. Not necessarily that they're making money, but, you know, that their focus is slightly detached, just enough to muddy the water and paint the picture gray. CryptoBurger Dogecoin was the meme that started off. Shiba is the meme that brings purpose to it. NFT, Shiba Swap, Shiba Land, most bullish DeFi project made 50x soon. CryptoBurger. Dude, if it 50x's, that's going to be amazing, man. You are right, though. Dogecoin's the OG. And Dogecoin is a meme coin. Shiba Inu coin trying to break itself away from meme and building up this project around it. Who invested in Dogelon Mars? So Ryan, I have no Dogelon Mars, man. People do, and they are increasing their interest in Dogelon Mars. More people have been asking about Dogelon lately, and I don't have any. I don't know much about what they're doing. I believe it's another meme coin, right? So I don't know enough to want to buy any of it right now. But I do know a lot of people like you come in, they ask, and it does show that there's a lot of interest in Dogelon Mars. Come on, never mind, I spelled it wrong. Sorry about that. But if you do, enough said, I take your word for it. Shredder. I don't know what you're taking my word for. Dang it, it's a Danelle. I was going to play it off. Darn it, PP, you work too much. Pika Power, you do work too much. Calm down. Just hang out with us. Queenie told me once I had more Shiba than she did when I told her I had 100 million Shiba. So, yeah, Noob Clan, man. I don't know the best way to put this, right? These developers too, like Shib Queenie, man. I don't know who Shib Queenie is. I know Shib Queenie is an Australian girl, and it seems like she works. And it did seem like she was in the finance field from some of the stuff that she said during AMAs. But dude, at the same time, 100 million Shiba, that is what, $2,000 that she's got in Shiba Inu coin. You know, to have $2,000 invested, or less than 100 million, I believe 100 million would be $2,000, right? 2,700 current prices. You know, whether she's got less than 2,700, I don't know where she is financially, right? So I can't hit on her for, you know, only having $2,000 or whatever invested in Shiba Inu coin. It's not like that's necessarily a bad thing, but she has more than that in Bone based on the wallets that people have been posting on Twitter. Now, I will be 100% honest. Dude, I don't trust anything on Twitter. So I don't know if these wallets are legitimate or not. I mean, you know, people post pictures of me with poop emojis on my head. So I don't trust anything on Twitter. But if you can trust these numbers, there's a benefit, right, for them to own Bone and for them to promote Bone. Exactly, I agree with you. That's the problem with the developers right now. Yeah, and look, guys, too, I don't want any beef with the developers at all. I do think that they are building up this ecosystem, right? They are working hard to build up this ecosystem. Bone, Leash, Shiboshis, getting new projects for Shiba Inu coin. They are working. My only just slight hesitation is there I don't know, man. Is it the ecosystem that we're building, or is it Shiba Inu coin? You can argue all day, and I could argue both sides too. I could even argue for them and saying that the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem is the only thing that they can actually build up and have control over, so they are doing the best that they absolutely can. But there's that slight, just a slight little poke that says, you're like a little barnacle, man. You're like a little barnacle that attached yourself to Shiba Inu coin, and I don't know, man. I don't know. It's still like AMC would hit 20 before pause. So, Mike, I don't know if AMC is necessarily going to hit 20. It did have a decent day today. The NASDAQ bounced beautifully off of this line down here, and it's retesting some recent highs. AMC really kind of loving this support level right in here. I know you guys can see it if I zoom in a little better. So touched it here, couldn't fall below. Touched it here, didn't break below. Fell down below, but wanted to come right back up to it today. So this support level really trying to hold up here. If we can bounce back, I wouldn't worry about 20. And like we closed right around this level, man. So tomorrow, if we do break out to the downside again, 20 is the next level that I've got on my line to watch there. No, we don't want to watch that because that's not doing anything. Where are we at? It's my point. She isn't invested in Shiba. Just the others, I believe. Yeah, Noob Clan, man. I mean, I don't know how much she has in Shiba, right? And honestly, at the end of the day, it's none of my business how much she has in Shiba Inu coin either. I just know they earn in Bone. That wasn't a poop. That was a selfie. Pringleton. It was, but it was an emoji, poop emoji on my face. Could be better Jimmy Neutron than poop on head. Shoot, man. This one, gosh. I don't know. I don't even remember if it was in the live now or if it was on one of my videos. Some dude commented that I look like a stoned Jimmy Neutron. Like, what are you talking about, man? Oh, man. When moon? Soon moon, Benny. Soon moon. Thanks, Mike. Absolutely, man. What's your thoughts on what artificial liquid intelligence token for INFT? Transparently, Eli, never heard of that one either, man. If we don't get to 2,800 soon, I'm slapping grandma. Dude, your grandma can take it, man. Your grandma's a tough woman. John, your grandma's a tough woman. You better watch out. She'll probably slap you back, though. Well, stream days. I'd like to get back to 3 or more days. Kalani, make it happen. AMC to 20. My AMC 21 cash secure puts from last Friday gained 38% today, up 53% total. Frank, I love it, man. Frank making some money, guys. I love you people. Love you too, Johnny. Literally dropped my phone on Stone Jimmy. It's not funny, Bronson. It's not funny, man. I don't know why this. Where do they get the stoned version? I've never partaken of any of that stuff in my life, and they call me a stoned Jimmy Neutron. Like, I get the Jimmy Neutron part. I get the hair with the whole, swish in the front. I get the Jimmy Neutron part. I embrace that Jimmy Neutron was a smart dude, man. Jimmy Neutron was a smart guy. Nice guy, too. Jimmy Neutron was a very good, just a well-rounded guy. I like that guy. So I get that part, but the stone part, I don't get that. My allergies, if my eyes look a little red, if I rub them before I do a video or something. That's positivity. Sammy boy, let's make it happen. Kulani, sweet, let me know. No Friday and Saturday this weekend. I looked for you. Looking for you, Kalani. Come on now. I'm thinking I've been in your live chats about a year and stayed the full length and probably 90 plus of them. Add in videos and you, Claire, my significant other, Clay. Pringleton, I love it. Look, guys, I know a lot of you guys do hang out in here for a very long time. And I hope that, you guys have fun doing it too. I absolutely have a blast hanging out in here, spending a couple hours a day with you guys, and then in the videos as well. You really are bros, man. You guys really are bros at this point. Clear bros. Tim, I'm telling you, man, it's not a thing. It's not a thing. Stone, it's a compliment, Clay. Well, I don't know about the stoned part, Pika. I don't know about the stoned part, but I definitely take the Jimmy Neutron part as a compliment. What does he say? Ready to blast off or something like that. Blasting off again? I don't know what he says. No, that's Rocket Power. Team Rocket. That's Team Rocket. Team Rocket blasting off. What does Jimmy Neutron say? Team Rocket says, Team Rocket blasting off again. What does Jimmy Neutron say? Oh, you guys got to help me on this one, man. Obviously, the developers need to get paid, but I feel like they need to give us such attention and usage for Shiba, or at least an option to use Leash, Bone, or Shiba. A price will be based on strictly... Yeah, Giovanni, I agree, man. I agree. Plus, I don't know. They're very secretive. Let's just put it that way. They're very secretive people. Got a blast. Oh, there it is. Pika Power and Ryan got it. Got a blast. Yes, man. That's me. That's me. Jimmy Neutron. Got a blast. Hey, being high on life is not a bad thing. Bronson, no, man. Being high on life, I love life, man. It's definitely, live life to the fullest. Let's just put it that way. Melamamas. Jimmy Neutron says... No, he does not, Melamamas. Jimmy Neutron does not say that. Hey, you guys want some ASMR? Listen, this is my mustache. I know you guys heard that. Yeah, Jimmy Neutron says, let's get started. That's exactly what Jimmy Neutron says, AMC Trapper. What in the broken flip-flop is all this childish talk hurting my adult brain? Shredda, you're loving it, man. You're loving it. I know you are. Can you describe this Clay person? Kind of sounds like White Denzel. Might be, Frank. Might be. Nope, I cannot describe Clay. Never heard of him. Never heard of him in my life. Farmy sitting at 15.10 after hours right now. Not bad at all. Up about 1%. AMC top left is sitting down 0.56% right now. Shiba Inu coin top right 26.47. Trying to make its way back up to the 27s. GameStop 169.51 down 0.47 after hours. And Prague flat. We've got Sundial up 0.5% after hours. Mullen Auto 0.70, CEI 0.51, SPY break even, BBIG 0.65% higher, and HYMC down 1.78% after hours right now. Let's get some action, guys. These stocks aren't moving after hours. About time, ASMR. Oh yeah, JJ like the mustache. Sorry, Clay, I have to get back to work. Have a great afternoon. Pika Power. Listen, never apologize for being responsible. Thank you very much for hanging out with us. I really hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and thank you for being in here. SMFL, my boy, whatever that means. SMFL. So much for life. Yep, so much for life, man. So much for life. Denzel is the only Washington I trust. There you go, Pringleton. Not bad at all. Trevor, do you do sundial videos? Trevor needs to do any videos, man. We need to all watch Trapper. Later, ladies. Shredda, are you out or are you staying, Shredda? You just saying bye to Pika Power as she's leaving there. I want to see did anybody know what ATER finished at? ATER finished up 46%, 46.8% at $3.42. Currently sitting at $3.42 after hours as well. Dead sideways, basically. Dead sideways from the daily, but a very nice day indeed. Let's come back out here. Anybody besides Frodo and ATER? JB was in it, but I don't think he's back to break even yet. Let's see. Smart for life. Oh, gotcha. Juicy Trades. Gotcha. I'm still in. Shredda's still in here just saying bye to Pika Power as she's leaving. Good deal, Shredda. Thanks for hanging with us. Yeah, we don't have anything going on over there. We're all good. Pika Power, bye-bye. TTYL. Danelle. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, my gosh. It's so hot. On every day. On every day. Morning live stream and evening live stream. Gotta say thank you again, Danelle. And if Mr. Simon, if you're in here, man, I still get your Plexin right there. Bronson! No, I don't, but I pretend I am daily. Oh, gosh. This dude's pretending he's making sundial videos daily. Oh, Trapper. I don't know. Be careful. Bouncing around 1509 to 1500 or 15 cents per share. 1509 to 15 cents per share on Farming. They're really bouncing around after hours. Yeah, not too much else going on over there. We'll watch that. I do want to watch Highcroft, so let's watch Highcroft for a minute here. See if we got anything going on there. And a boy, Trapper Lava Lamp is so hot right now. Dude, this lava lamp does get a lot hotter than the lava lamp downstairs. I mean, that is for sure. That it does. I did want to look at Apecoin. I haven't seen Apecoin in a while. Apecoin's actually coming back down a little bit. I don't know if Pika Power still got Apecoin or if you guys own any Apecoin, but Apecoin kind of bounced back up into that $15 range, and now it seems to be steadying off back down to the downside. So if you guys are in Apecoin and you're watching it fall a little bit right now, the next level of support you're going to have is down here at this like $10.80 level, and then potentially $10 flat. So I would watch those before potentially falling back down to like $7.50. I would watch these levels in here. $10, $10.50. If it decides to come back down, the volume kind of steadying out as well. It was trading $2 to $4 billion a day in Apecoin. Now it's down to 488 million. So the I guess excitement seems to be settling now. I'm in so much regrets now. This dude, sorry about that. A lot of people selling, so weak, can't even hold a few bucks. Come on, dudes, don't regret when it explodes. Yes, Chip, exactly, man. I don't think that Sufiani bought 1 million Apecoin. I don't think that they bought $13 million. Sorry, Sufiani, I think you might be lying there. $12 million. No. I gotta go, Clay, but you're the best. Only you and the Matthew Perry keep it real. You two guys are the ones who don't sell out. Giovanni, look, man. I would continue doing these videos if they said, hey, Clay, man, we're going to add you to payroll. We'll give you bone. Dude, I'd still do the exact same videos. Like, don't get me wrong. I'm completely okay with everybody making money. I just know you got to be real, man. If you're not being real with people, they're not going to be here tomorrow. You can string people along for a while, but if you're not real with them, then they're not going to be here tomorrow, and you want them to come back tomorrow. So that's my viewpoint on it, man. I don't have a problem with them making money. I just know they got to be real. Abe ain't bad if you get in the dip around 8 to 9. Joshua, yeah, if you get in the dip around 8 to 9, that probably wouldn't be bad at all. You're welcome, Clay. Can't wait to see it on a shelf. Danelle, I am really, really lazy when it comes to putting this stupid wall up. I really need to do that. Danelle, so when the wall gets done, yeah, just saying. Paul's right, man. Paul's right. I'm way too lazy with this wall. All I got to do is literally hang it up on the wall now. Clay, before you dip out today, how long does MCTO last, and what's the benefits of it? What does MCTO stand for, man? You guys use these acronyms, and I can't think of it. Bronson, help me before I go look it up. Okay, are you talking about Sundial? Yeah, I don't know. Are you talking about Sundial, Bronson? Because I googled MCTO, and they got something with MCTO here. Okay. I don't think that there's a certain timeline on that, but just briefly reading through this article, right here, this MCTO stands for Management Cease Trade Order. They basically won't let any of the executives, or at least the executives that have access to the information, trade, because the information was not released when it should have been released. So they do have that insider information, and until that information gets released, then that's when they would be held up to. So Sundial and its auditor continue to work diligently towards completing the filings as soon as possible. The company believes that there will be no restatement of previously released financial statements to Sundial and expects to report the fourth quarter and full year 2021 earnings and complete filings on or before April 14th. So I would imagine that MCTO, that these executives will be allowed to trade when that information comes out, which would be on April 14th. So it's just so that they don't trade on insider information, since the info hasn't been released and they know what it is. It would stop them from trading. I don't think it's a specific time frame. I think it's company specific or situation specific. Hi, Victor. Bye, Victor. Victor, what's going on, man? Victor, enjoy the rest of your afternoon, and thank you very much for hanging out with us. Yes, sir, Bronson, got you. Hey, bro, you should make a video explaining what to do in a scenario that one of these coins, hopefully Shiba, goes parabolic, how to take profits, should we swap for stable coins, or what? AR, that's a pretty good idea, man. That's a pretty good idea. I could do one, and it's not bad at all, man. That's not bad at all. And it would depend where you own your Shiba Inu coin as well, especially if you get it in a decentralized wallet, like you're holding it on a Trust wallet or Coinbase wallet or somewhere on one of these decentralized exchanges. Because, yeah, at that point, you would need to trade it for like an Ethereum or, a token like that can be transferred back to your centralized exchange and then back to your fiat currency, whatever country you live in. So I do think that could be a decent video, at least just touching on the strategy to cash out, because everybody's like, well, cash out, but I'm holding my coin on MetaMask. If I'm holding my coin on MetaMask, there's not an option to just click Shiba Inu coin to US dollars. So, yeah, I could go over something like that. It is really basic, dude. You would just trade your Shiba Inu coin for Ethereum, right? And then you could trade your Ethereum to, you can send your Ethereum to Coinbase or Crypto.com, whatever centralized exchange you like using, and then, cash it out that way. Would you consider that as a positive? Bronson, yeah, man, I would consider it as a positive in regards to, like, not letting your company do anything that's illegal. You don't want a CEO trading on information that nobody else has. Otherwise, your CEO is going to get in trouble. Dude, if your CEO gets in trouble, then the stock's not going to look good, and there's probably going to be a sell-off. Paul, what do you mean? I missed what Paul said. Darn it. Claybro added 600 Doge over the past 2 weeks, just buying 5% dips, and position is now green overall for the first time. It is working. Boom. Frank, that is beautiful, man. That is beautiful. Dollar cost averaging on the way down, and now you are in the green. Hey, dude, anytime you're in the green, man, that's amazing. Frank, dude, it's dollar cost averaging at its finest right there. Who's winning the NCAA B-ball title tonight? It's going to be a tie, Remy. It's going to be a tie. If there's anything I know, guys, it's sports. Well, I like sports, and I don't care who knows. It's going to be a tie, Remy. It's going to be a tie. The one team is going to score as many points as the other team. No, go and get it done. No need to call. So that is Elon and back Shiba Doge. Gary Doge. He's a Doge guy. Paul, what if I had an address? Nah, what's up, Clay? Bro, Shades Vision TV, what's going on? I'll get it for you. I talked to him later on WhatsApp. There you go, Paul. Paul, seems like I'm getting my stream schedule worked out. I'd like to get back into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but I'm thinking Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. There you go as well. Okay, I just wagered 10K on a tie. Oh, good. Remy. Nice, man. Dude, Remy. I'm not going to lie to you. I don't know what the odds are on a tie, but I feel like if you wagered $10,000 on a tie, you would probably be walking away with, I don't know, somewhere around $10 million or so. Please, if we get lucky, man, don't forgive me. Hit me up. Hit me up afterwards, man, because that tie is going to be epic. Let's see. Yeah, Remy, we got it, man. If it's a tie and you wager 10K on it, you better remember your boy Clay, bro, because that is going to be one epic win. Rock Chalk Jayhawk KS wins. Yeah, Rock Chalk Jayhawk Kansas wins. Can't tie Bebop. Well, dude, I mean, I guess you could if the game was tied, and then they just decided to call it, man, because the lights went out or something. You could technically tie. I don't know if they'd make you reschedule or not, but I feel like it could happen. So the SEC are going to regulate crypto then. Pringleton, I hope not, man. Is that what they're saying? If that's what they're saying, I don't expect much regulation to be going on. Click, can a different developer group go into the metaverse and change things around, like swap Shib for Bone or something? So, Kalani. Let's see. I don't know if I understand the question perfectly, but I would say yes, okay? If the metaverse, and I don't understand what this metaverse is going to look like as of right now, right? I know you're going to own these plots of land that are NFTs, but I don't understand what this metaverse is going to look like. But the actual metaverse shouldn't be like some sort of a locked contract, right? You should be able to go in and develop and redevelop and expand the actual metaverse. So something along those lines of reconfiguring the actual metaverse, yes. Along the lines of like changing the smart contracts and changing Shiba Inu coin, I would say no, man, because those contracts have been rescinded, locked away, and are done with. You can't change the actual contracts for Shiba Inu coin at this point. But like the way the metaverse works, yeah, I would assume that somebody could go in there and redevelop that. But that's an assumption, okay? I unfortunately have zero hacking skills and zero programming skills other than, downloading Google's basic app creator and making a little app that says "Hello World." So that's like the best I've got in that category. But I would imagine the actual metaverse being like a platform that can continually expand, that could actually be redesigned. As a Duke fan, I'm going for UNC, so we can at least have our state win the championship again. Yeah, because UNC's in, right? Adam says he sees no shorts. That, Mr. Duty, that I do not know, Mr. Duty. For what it's worth, money well spent to learn from one another and watch a portfolio grow together while awaiting for the squeeze. Shredda, I agree, man. I've had a blast. The only b-ball Clay knows is the difference in a dodgeball. Bronson, come on, man. I know the Cleveland Cavaliers, when they traded LeBron away, that sucked. It was detrimental to the Cleveland Cavaliers. That's about all I know. That's about all I know. Does Ohio even have another basketball team? I'm probably thinking not. Exactly my thoughts. Thank bro. Kalani, good deal, man. Do you have any hardware wallet? Anybody? So I do not own a hardware wallet. AR. Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and then I do own some stuff on Webull as well, which is not necessarily a wallet. It's kind of different when you're buying crypto on Webull. But as far as like a Trezor wallet or one of those flash drive looking wallets, I do not have one. Click with that cool background. You tell me you're not a developer. DD214. It is a sweet background, isn't it, man? Ooh, we got the lights, and I can even change the colors. See you later, Danelle. Danelle, are you leaving? Glad to be back, but I gotta go. Everyone have a great evening. Danelle, peace out. Enjoy your evening as well. Thank you very much for hanging with us. Atlantic Lithium all went up to 25%, 3 minutes before the UK market closed today. What's that about? John, I have no idea. I have no idea why it would have shot up 25% 3 minutes before the close, man. I hear Ledger hardware wallet is a good one. Absolutely could be. I actually watched a video. Let me see. Was it? I don't know if it was a Trezor wallet or if it was a Ledger wallet. Let me see if I can see. Yeah, I don't know which one it was, man, but one of them, they probably both do it, but they constantly update the security and the firmware on them so that they're more secure. But somebody had $2 million, they forgot their password to their hardware wallet, and then some dude was actually able to go in and find what their password was so that they could log in. Nice Raiders something. AR, man, thank you very much for the super chat, AR. Absolutely appreciate you, man. Even though there's no writing on that super chat, appreciate it nonetheless. Paul says we can't leave without a little kitty cat action. Paul, man, I got you. Thank you very much, Paul. Appreciate that super sticker. You guys, that is by far one of the weirdest ones. But, Paul, thank you very much for making that cat meow. Appreciate it, Paul. You're going to split it. Take care of your loved ones. Shredda, absolutely, man. Guys, we will be leaving here soon. Anyway, I swear I lived One Republic. Something. A surprise today was so... Yeah, Mr. GF, man. Today was really kind of flat across the board. AMC finishing just above, apparently break even. Finished at 23.31, 1 cent green on the day. GameStop did finish 3% higher. Shiba Inu coin hasn't been doing anything. Highcroft was okay today. It's back down a little bit after hours right now. After hours, you got Prague sitting sideways, Farmy sitting sideways, AMC down about 1%, Sundial sitting up 0.3%. Mullen, today was a pretty slow day, but the overall market did very well. Market closed up 1.90% today, so had a very nice run on the 1 minute chart here, and overall the Nasdaq did very well on the day, and hopefully we see that action continue tomorrow. We are right here at this level of resistance, so hopefully tomorrow we're able to break through it and continue to the upside. But the Nasdaq performing exceptional today, and the rest of the stocks kind of lagging behind a little bit. ATER did very well as well. Melamamas, yes, 47% higher on the day, I believe. Put some boots on next time and meow. Yes, I could do that. Paul, thank you very much for another super sticker. Paul, man, thank you very much for the popcorn. Absolutely appreciate that. It is 5 o'clock, guys. We're going to be taking off now. We're going to have videos in 2 hours, videos in 3 hours, 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern time. Watch them. I want to say thank you in advance for clicking that like button, all that good stuff, sharing them with your friends, sharing them on Stock Twits, sharing them wherever you want, Twitter as well. Thank you guys very much for being in here. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout outs, and then we're going to take off and get those videos ready for tonight. Man, Paul, shout out to you, and thank you very much for the super stickers. AR, thank you for the super chat a little bit earlier. Tech Drunker, see you. Shredda, Cassie, Paul, Jonathan, see you later. Nufo, Shiba Inu, Pluto, Ahoo. Flat, except for ATER. Yes, Frodo was running. Pringleton, see ya. Melamamas, Pugnacious, Tech, Transparently, Eli, Paul, Johnsontown, AR, take care as well. AMC Trapper saying peace out to the diamond-handed apes. Paul says we can't leave until you give AMC Trapper a little action. We got this right here. The banana is being peeled. Paul, thank you very much. I'm thinking about you, but I'm looking at Trapper. We got it. You guys ready? Lick and stick technique. Thank you very much, Paul. Absolutely appreciate the super stick. Man, didn't like that. It cut out. Thank you very much for the super sticker. DD214, Tim, Frank, Frodo, JB, Melamamas, Gonzo, Johnstontown, Pugnacious, Nufo, Crypto Burger, JB, Pringleton. I'll talk to you later on WhatsApp. Definitely, JB. Definitely message me there. Don't do it, guys. Don't do it. It's not me. Nufo, see you later. Transparently, Eli, AMC Trapper saying, oops, yeah, what is he got going on there? Exactly, Trapper. Owning the float, see you later. Lewis, Moto Lifer, enjoy your evening. You guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, Remy, see you later. Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.